in your body? You know, a lot of people think, should I rush out and go directly to the doctor's office?
What if you don't have any pain? You just want to know what's going on inside your body.
You could always take a picture and see what colors show up. A company in Colombia now has the first thermography. See, that's what I was doing during break. Thermography machine in the area.
Yeah, it is the first one in this area. There are a couple more in the state, but this is the first in the Columbia area. And I chose to be the guinea pig to see how it works.
It's about your health, and that's the name of the health education business on Kaminer Way Parkway in Columbia. About Your Health recently implemented the use of a thermography machine. After a few questions on health history, the certified thermographic technician has me acclimate my body to the temperature in the room, with no clothing touching the midsection where she's going to take pictures. The camera, which will capture the thermal images, appears relatively elementary, but is quite advanced in what it can see.
It's non-invasive, it's
non-invasive.
but it's different.
It is different. And for some people, it's a little difficult to stand in a room naked. Because when you do a full body, that's essentially what you are. But for a short time and for the most part, I'm not looking.
The camera helps diagnose abnormalities in the body through graphic thermal or heat images.
It takes a lot of little pictures of temperature all over your skin. And then it images it in a graphic image so that the MDs can look at the variation in temperature, patterns.
The hottest color, which is white, shows a problem. Red and orange also indicate concern. But it's vital the colors are interpreted properly.
White under the breast like that is because the breasts are laying on the body. White on the third image is inflammatory breast cancer.
My tech has me turn several times to capture a 360-degree view. A patient can have any or all of the body examined. Monitoring breast health is one of the most frequent uses.
Let's say they have a lumpectomy and everything is cut out. Well, do you still have vascular patterns that are moving you back in that same direction? So this is a great way for them to mark their breast health and then continue to watch it in a very inexpensive way.
After establishing a baseline, the follow-up imaging for breast health is $100, $300 for the full body. The results are sent back to About Your Health after the doctor reads the images. The staff go over the results and equip you with knowledge you could not see before.
A lot of times people will use it, they will gather this information and then use it to help them lead what course or direction they want to go with their doctor.
Information gathering. And remember, we mentioned breast health. Thermography also is used for detecting and monitoring autoimmune problems, TMJ, whiplash, artery inflammation, organ dysfunction, soft tissue injuries, and several more. And also wanted to let you guys know that the machine's going to be taken to the zoo in Greenville tomorrow to examine a pregnant elephant believed to have an infection. So they don't want to do x-rays because of being pregnant. And just for the record, since apparently some people here have asked me, those other body part images are not mine. We did my organs, the midsection, all the other shots you saw. Sorry, not me.
I was going to ask, but I didn't want to sound like, you know, like a goofy seventh grader asking.
Thank you, Ben. And as my coworker and friend, I appreciate that.
Okay.
Yes.
Duly noted. Okay, go to WISTV.com and click on the big red 10. Under today's date, we have a link to About Your Health.
Well, we are going to talk about sports next. USC coach Steve Spurrier's day at the SEC Media Days.
Hear what he has.